again, you want to streamline your data, you want to streamline your processes. You're always trying to make your employees' lives more efficient and easier to manage, especially in this day when there's so much data coming at you, whether you're inputting information or your users are inputting information on your website, or your sales and marketing team are inputting information in your marketing automation tools and customer relationship management. There's data everywhere. So especially today with all of this information that's available to us, it's very important to have that very structured and integrated so that data that's updated in one area is going to be updated the same way in another area.
Especially with like GDPR, and the cookie and the consent is only a small aspect of what you have to do to comply. You have to be able to bring up a user's information and remove that user's information, and if you're not consolidating this information, you're going to have a difficult time trying to abide to like this legislation that passes, because this type of GDPR that passed in Europe will eventually come to the US.